Good morning and thanks for joining us here on Kalkine TV. I'm Holly Shields and you're watching the early trades. This is our market open report. Today the S&P ASX 200 is lower, dropping 0.67%. The bottom performing stocks in this index include Xero, which is down 8.76%, and CSR down as well 8.13%. Over the past week, the index has lost 4.71% and sits at 3.84% above its 52-week low. Now, looking at some of the stocks that made a buzz today in the opening session, CSL is expected to be in a position to close the acquisition of Viva Pharma AG by June. Now, the company is anticipating the regulatory approval process to take a few more months. Although CSL remains confident of completing its acquisition of Viva Pharma and looks forward to expanding its presence in the rapidly growing nephrology market, as well as leveraging the company's combined expertise to continue to deliver innovative solutions to rare and serious illnesses. And also making news today, Viva Energy Group has provided an update on the refining performance as well as the unaudited financial performance for the 4 months ending April 30. Over the period, the company's unaudited EBITDA stands at approximately $308 million. This is an increase of 65% on the prior year, reflecting the current increase in refining margins together with a continued strong performance in the company's retail and commercial marketing businesses. Meanwhile, Amero International, the metal additive manufacturer, announced that it's raised approximately $11 million via a combination of a new placement of new shares and the issue of a senior convertible note. Funds will be used to finalize the installation and commissioning of the titanium alloy powder plant, which is expected to take the company to cash flow positive position. This will also allow for the identification and the pursuit of strategic alternatives to maximize shareholder value following the engagement of global investment and advisory firm Guggenheim Securities. The new shares issued under the placement will rank equally with the existing Amaero ordinary shares. That is from their date of issue. And also in the news, Dateline Resources has announced the assay results from the data validation drilling program at the Coliseum Gold Project in California, USA, which has confirmed the lithological interpretation of historic drill data. The program assessed areas within densely drilled parts of the deposit, as well as the potential below the historic resource model. These results have instigated the company to finalize the estimation of a JORC 2012 compliant mineral resource for the Coliseum deposit. And that is a wrap on the early trades, but tune in for more only on Kalkine TV. I'm Holly Shields signing off.